Our love is equal.
We've got team coverage of what this ruling means right here in Colorado. 7 News reporter Lance Fernandez talking with couples about what it means for Colorado's gay and lesbian community. Let's start, though, with Jennifer Kovaleski. And, Jen, you found couples could gain a lot of benefits but lose some, too.
Teresa, bottom line, it's going to make life easier for same-sex couples, both financially and legally. But I talked to a CU law professor who says that this historic ruling could put more of an emphasis on marriage than other forms like domestic partnerships. It's no longer gay marriage. It's just marriage.
In some ways, this is a recognition of the way marriage has already changed.
And while same-sex marriage has been legal in Colorado since October, the Supreme Court's historic ruling still has impacts for couples here.
Assurance that their marriage really is valid, it's going to stay valid.
Jennifer Hendricks specializes in family law at the University of Colorado. She says on a practical level, same-sex couples who are legally married in Colorado no longer have to worry if they move or travel out of state.
It can be really important in terms of people's parental rights if they're traveling with children.
It will also make life easier financially and legally.
It should get a lot easier and cheaper to figure out your taxes.
On the flip side, it could change the way employers provide benefits to same-sex couples. For example, Hendricks says companies could choose not to honor alternatives to marriage, like domestic partnerships or civil unions.
I think we may see some movement in that direction where, if you want us to recognize your relationship, get married.
Churches can also still choose not to marry same-sex couples.
Churches remain free and do discriminate on the basis of sex all the time.
Hendricks says the pace of change happened fast, but that doesn't mean acceptance will happen quite as quickly.
I do not expect to see universal acceptance in my lifetime or my kids' lifetime, but I think acceptance will expand.
Now, another big change, same-sex couples can now prepare wills, trusts, and other end-of-life documents just like any other married couple. Live in the newsroom tonight, Jennifer Kovaleski, 7 News.